Hello my dear friends, welcome again to Marvelous Iran channel. Today we are going to visit a special place. Omar Khayyam, who was an Iranian famous poet, also astronomer and mathematician. Tomb of Omar Khayyam is located in Neyshabour. It is a modern monument made of white marble stone. The stones have created a nice facade attracting the eyes of any beholders. Although the tomb witnessed many calamities, it is not ruined and can host avid tourists from around the world. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. If you have any question about Iran, comment below for me. If you are interested in traveling in Iran or need any rate or package, send me email.